Hi everyone, you're in my kitchen. Yes, it's a little bit of a mess. You see my spices, and next to it is my oils over there, and then I got another cupboard open because I'm packing. But I still have time to do a video. I haven't been live to show you a recipe. Usually I've been doing like Make It Mondays, or I do a live education video. So you're kind of getting an education video and a live cooking video. So, you ready? Let's do this. I've got an amazing marinade we're gonna make. I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'm gonna lower it so you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see this. But I have right here some lamb chops. And I'm gonna grill them. But this marinade, you want it to set for at least an hour. You can have it set overnight on your meat. So I'm gonna make it ahead now, and then in an hour I'm going to cook. So what you need is your organic. I have organic olive oil from Costco in here, okay? And we're gonna start with a tablespoon. Okay, we're gonna try that. I'll probably do 2 actually right away. And I've got a glass bowl. The reason I've got a glass bowl is anytime you're cooking, and if you're using essential oils, yeah, we're gonna start with 2. That looks good. Can always add more later. Is because the essential oils, remember, we've got some rosemary here, will eat toxins, eat plastic. So you want to make sure you're using something nice and solid like glass that doesn't have toxins. So we did 3 drops. The recipe I was looking at, because I was trying to get ideas, called for fresh rosemary, which I don't have, but I do have some dry rosemary that I'm still going to put in for the looks. Okay, not a lot. I might do another pinch. I'm breaking it up. So if you have some dry rosemary, great. If you have fresh, it's going to take a few tablespoons of it. Okay. And then you'll get some good flavor. But again, 3 drops of rosemary. It's quite a strong, but this is one of my favorite oils to grill with and cook with. Anytime I do something on the grill, chicken, beef, really good on beef, with balsamic vinegar. Then I have some lemon, because I don't have lemon zest. You can use lemon oil. So I'm gonna do 2 drops of lemon oil. Okay, this is gonna be like a rosemary garlic. And I need a spoon. Forgot to get a spoon to mix. But then I've got my already chopped minced garlic from Costco. There you go. And so I'm gonna do a teaspoon right in there. If you want more garlic, go for it. I'm gonna start with a teaspoon, stir it around and see how it looks. Because remember, I've only got a few chops here and I wanna do both sides. Okay, I'm gonna actually add another teaspoon because I like garlic on mine. And I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of olive oil. So we're up to 3 for my 5 chops. Okay, if I have leftover, that's okay. I can add it to something else. Like I said, it's amazing on beef, chicken. All right, now I'm gonna add in some salt. This is, for me, this is to flavor. Sometimes it's about half a teaspoon. So I add salt, and then I'm gonna do fresh ground pepper. Again, it's to my liking on the fresh ground pepper. It depends on what you prefer. I always shake it off because there's always excess. And then I'm stirring. All right, oh, I love the smell of the black pepper. fresh. So you could use black pepper essential oil as well if you want. I might have some. Let me look. Hi, Lisa. So my black pepper is in its oil box where it belongs. So we're just gonna skip that, and I am gonna add a little more because I like black pepper. And black pepper is great for achy joints, muscles. We don't give it enough credit. Lemon's great for cleansing, purifying. It's also good for flavoring for food. Rosemary has some benefits for, I love diffusing these two to support brain health and function. So as you see, these are ones I use a lot. All right, so the next step is to get your lamb chops, or you could use beef or pork, either one. But I happen to be cleaning out my freezer and using what's left. And now I'm going to put a little on top of each one. You could baste it on, or put it on with your brush. I packed that already. So again, this is what I do when I don't have the freshest of the ingredients, but the oils tend to make it nice and fresh. All right, so we're gonna flip them over. And do the other side. It's totally fine if stuff like runs down the side, that's what you want. And this one we gotta turn that way. And this one. I will be grilling these on 375 is what I set my pellet grill. Again, these are gonna set for at least an hour or when I'm ready to start cooking. I'm just making sure I try to get a good even amount. And now I have a little bit left, so I'm just gonna add it to the rest. So it sits in the fridge to marinate for about an hour. And then I'll put them on the grill. Super easy, guys. Super simple. I love how simple it is to cook with your oils. So now you can just kind of put your olive oil around and you're good. I, again, put it in a glass container for cooking. Hi, Amy. For cooking with oils, remember, keep things glass. I've got essential oils in my olive oil base, but this way, when they're sitting and marinating, it's not eating any plastic. Yeah, I'm excited. It smells really, really good. I wish this was smell-o-vision. You could do a plastic top on top. That's what I'm going to do, to store it in the fridge for an hour. And then again, I will cook it 7 to 10 minutes on each side. I'll let you guys look at that for a second. And then we're gonna go, and you guys are gonna see me. So I'm gonna cook it for 7 to 10 minutes. Total, I will flip it over probably halfway through, so 5 minutes on one side, flip it over, 5 minutes on the other. On the grill, again, I usually keep my grill at 375, and then I will take them off and let them rest after 7 to 10 minutes total. Let them rest, and then I usually am preparing whatever else I want with my dish. It'll probably be salad because it's warm and I like salad, and some fruit. So yeah, I will show you guys the finished product. I'll share a picture later, but share if you have any cooking recipes with rosemary or lemon, or even any other recipes that you like to use. But hopefully this is a good easy tip for you guys to see how easy it is to cook with your oils. So we just made a quick, easy marinade that's great for lamb. It's good for pork, it's good for chicken, good for beef, and I love cooking with my oils, and especially rosemary and lemon are like good go-tos anytime I grill. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you all later this week for some giveaways. I was writing down names today, but I'm like, you know what? We're gonna wait till Friday or Thursday, somewhere in there, to announce last week's winners. So be sure to keep commenting because I have looked and I've started writing down, but be sure to go back and make sure you've done the first 7 through 13 days, and make sure you've commented on all those Christmas in July giveaway posts. So I will see you all later. Again, be sure to try this recipe if you're needing an idea. There you go. There's a new recipe for you. All right, everyone, have a great day. Bye.